Imagine your favorite tech brand, the one behind your smart home gadgets and smartphones, now building your next car. Sounds wild, right? Well, it's real. Xiaomi has entered the electric vehicle game, and their new creation, the Xiaomi YU7, is already turning heads. Is it just hype, or is Xiaomi about to disrupt the EV industry like it did with phones? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in tech, innovation, and future mobility. Today we're diving deep into Xiaomi's electric car, the YU7, a bold and futuristic step that could reshape the EV landscape. Make sure to watch till the end as we unpack its design, features, performance, and why this isn't just another electric car. First, let's talk about why Xiaomi is even making a car. In recent years, tech giants like Apple, Huawei, and Sony have explored mobility, but Xiaomi is one of the few actually putting rubber on the road. The YU7 is the second car from Xiaomi's newly formed automotive division, following the SU7, and represents their vision of blending smart tech with sustainable transportation. Backed by billions in R&D, Xiaomi isn't outsourcing this vehicle. They're building it in-house, from software to hardware. It's not just a rebadged car with a screen, it's a fully integrated smart vehicle running on Xiaomi's proprietary operating system that connects seamlessly with your phone, smart home, and cloud services. The design of the Xiaomi YU7 is clean, minimalistic, and aerodynamic. It gives off strong Tesla Model 3 vibes with a touch of Porsche Taycan, smooth body lines, a bold front grille delete, and sharp LED matrix headlights. The frameless doors, flush handles, and panoramic glass roof add a premium, futuristic feel. It rides on 19 or 21-inch aerodynamic alloy wheels depending on the variant, and Xiaomi has promised multiple color options, each inspired by tech and nature. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that looks more like a digital lounge. The dashboard is dominated by a large floating touchscreen, around 16 inches, powered by Xiaomi's HyperOS. There's also a separate digital instrument cluster and a passenger-side display for entertainment or controls. Voice commands, gesture controls, and even integration with Xiaomi's smart home products, like adjusting your AC at home while driving, are all part of the package. The seats are ventilated, massaging, and wrapped in vegan leather. Wireless charging pads, ambient lighting, and a Dolby Atmos sound system complete the luxurious yet connected feel. Under the hood, the YU7 is offered in both single-motor and dual-motor variants. The dual-motor AWD version pushes out over 500 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3.9 seconds. That's serious performance. Battery options range from 73 kilowatt hours to over 100 kilowatt hours, with the top model offering a driving range of around 800 kilometers on a full charge. Xiaomi uses CATL Kielin batteries, some of the most efficient and reliable EV batteries in the market right now. Fast charging is impressive too. With Xiaomi's 800-volt architecture, the YU7 can charge from 10% to 80% in less than 20 minutes on a fast charger. The YU7 comes packed with Xiaomi Pilot, the company's proprietary autonomous driving system. It includes LiDAR sensors, high-definition cameras, and radar-based safety systems. Features include adaptive cruise control, auto lane change, parking assist, and even highway autopilot. Xiaomi has also promised over-the-air software updates so your car keeps getting smarter after purchase, just like a smartphone. One thing Xiaomi made clear, the YU7 isn't just fast or flashy, it's sustainable. The materials inside the cabin are mostly recycled or plant-based, and the manufacturing process is designed to reduce carbon emissions. Its regenerative braking system feeds energy back into the battery, increasing efficiency. And Xiaomi is also working on solar charging integration for future models. So how much does it cost? Here's where things get really interesting. Xiaomi has priced the YU7 aggressively, starting around $30,000 for the base model, making it highly competitive with rivals like Tesla's Model 3, BYD Seal, and Neo ET5. Considering the performance, technology, and Xiaomi brand power, the YU7 could become a dominant force in both domestic and global markets. It's already generating a buzz in China, with thousands of pre-orders within hours of launch. Xiaomi isn't just launching a car. They're building an ecosystem where your phone, home, and now car are all interconnected. The YU7 is more than a vehicle. It's a rolling smart device, a glimpse into the future of mobility. So what do you think of the Xiaomi YU7? Would you consider buying one over a Tesla or BYD? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome content on tech, innovation, and the future of transportation. Thanks for watching,